Our lives are becoming more and more erratic with each passing day. Late nights, ढेर सारा काम, stress, tension, oof. All these takes a toll on our health and सबसे ज़्यादा on the skin. Neglecting your skin leads to severe damage on it and you get visible signs of dryness, dehydration. Pollution too takes a harsh effect on your skin and just like now जहाँ मेरी skin बहुत ही dry और dehydrated सा लग रहा है, yes, it is a concern. It is at this time that you urgently require something miraculous that will treat your skin and will help you get rid of all such dirt and pollutants. Being very particular of the skincare products that I use usually on my face, this time I chose the Dot & Key Anti-Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask to help my skin relieve from all this dirt and pollution related problems. For those unversed, Dot & Key is a new age skincare company जिनके सारे products are totally free of harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, heavy metals, synthetic dyes, etc. Their products are based on a broad range of specific customer requirements and this brand is quite environmental conscious जो कि इनके packaging और labeling से झलकती है. The Pollution and Acne Defense Green Clay Mask is enriched with natural clay and plant-based elements like matcha tea, which is rich in antioxidants, जो skin से सारे toxins remove तो करते ही है, साथ में ये excessive sebum control करता है, जो acne बार बार आने की एक बहुत बड़ी वजह है. Being dermatologically tested, it also contains goodness of tamanu oil and neem oil, which neutralizes the damaging effects of pollution on your skin. Well now, let's go towards my skincare routine with Dot & Key, which consists of 3 steps. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, mask. And step 3, moisturize. So the first step is to cleanse your face after removing all or any makeup that you might have on your face. मेरे जैसे you can use your daily face wash or cleanser to do the same. And right now I am using my charcoal face wash from Joy Herbals. I absolutely love that. After keeping it on for about 5-10 minutes, rinse it off, preferably with lukewarm water and then pat dry. Be careful to not be harsh on drying your face right now since your skin will be very sensitive at this point. Up next is the second step of using the Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Face Mask. So firstly, take a reasonable amount of the face pack on your palm using the mini spatula provided, and trust me, I found this mini spatula very cute. Since the pack would be a little solid initially, so I added a few drops of water and then moistened it on my hand itself to make a paste, and then apply it all over your face generously and massage gently with small upwards and circular strokes. Do not miss out on the neck area as it is equally important. On a personal note, as I applied the face mask, I felt a kind of tingling sensation on my face. I was a little curious at first, and then when I read the ingredients, I found it contained some slight percentage of maybe menthol extracts, which might be the reason for it. Overall, the product smelled really great and मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया. So after applying the face mask, it was time to relax and chill. तो मेरे जैसे you can sit down at this point of time and do practically anything. I catched up on some latest news, drank a cup of coffee. तो बस chill करो इस time पे.
A few moments later.
After 15 to 20 minutes, when the pack has completely dried, it's time to rinse your face. इस वक्त ध्यान रखिए कि आप अपनी स्किन पर कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा फोर्स ना यूज़ करें क्योंकि आपके जो पोर्स है वो अभी ओपन है और ज़्यादा आप जोर से अप्लाई करेंगे फोर्स तो आपके जो पोर्स है वो डैमेज हो सकते हैं. Once rinsed, pat dry your face again very nicely एंड जब मैंने ऐसा किया तो आई कुड सी a noticeable change on my face because my skin didn't look any more dull or it didn't look very tired. It gave a very refreshing kind of a feeling. So the last and the most important step is to moisturize. तो यहाँ मैं अपनी फेवरेट मॉइस्चराइज़र जो कि जॉय स्किन फ्रूट से है वो यूज़ कर रही हूँ. ये लाइट मॉइस्चराइज़र है बट इट इज़ क्वाइट हैवी ड्यूटी इन मॉइस्चराइजिंग. तो आप अपनी कोई भी पसंद की मॉइस्चराइज़र इस वक्त लगा सकते हैं. अपने पूरे फेस इवन नेक एरिया पे लगाइए. Hey guys, so this was a fun review of Dot & Key's Pollution Plus Acne Defense Face Mask, and I hope you liked it because I have really liked the product. And as I've told you earlier also, I'm very specific about the products I use for my skin. So this one has really worked wonders. And जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि जो भी मेकअप, जो प्राइमरी मेकअप के साथ और भी जो डर्ट पोल्यूशन नॉर्मल वर्किंग डेज से हमारे चेहरे पे आ जाते हैं, यू नो वी स्वेट अ लॉट एंड देयर इज दिस पोल्यूशन इन द एयर, सो वो आपकी स्किन को बहुत हार्म करता है. बट विथ यूजिंग दिस मास्क तो मुझे बहुत रिलीफ मिला. इट हैज़ अ कूलिंग इफेक्ट, तो बहुत ही रिलैक्स्ड फील होता है. एंड आई वुड रिकमेंड यू टू डू ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट. मैं इस प्रोडक्ट के परचेजिंग लिंक्स आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी सो दैट यू कैन गो एंड बाई देम एज पर यूज. सो कैसा लगा आपको ये प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू आफ्टर सो मैनी डेज? प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो. एंड अगर आपने इस प्रोडक्ट को पहले भी यूज़ किया हुआ है तो वो भी ज़रूर बताएं कि आपके रिव्यूज़ कैसे रहे. I'll wait for them, and you know the drill. If you've liked the video, do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.